Hello viewers and welcome to my channel, Review Information. In this video I will show you how to create a photo collage on Instagram.
Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates.
Watch this full video to learn how to make photo collage with the layout tool on Instagram. To begin, open the Instagram app. Now tap on your story from the top left corner to create a new Instagram story. Now toggle through the options at the bottom by swiping to right and find Layout. You can choose the grid layout you want to use. You can have 2, 3, 4, or 6 images in your collage, depending on which grid you select. Now it's time to add pictures to the grid. You can snap a new photo by tapping the large circle at the bottom, or upload one from your device by tapping the square in the bottom left corner. The grid will be filled in order from left to right and top to bottom, so be mindful that pictures have to be taken or added in that order. If you want to delete the last image you took or added, tap the delete button. You can adjust the selected pictures. When you're done adding all your photos to the grid, tap the check mark at the bottom. Now you can add filters, stickers, text, and draw on your finished collage if you like. When you are done, go ahead and post it to your story. Your story has been updated. Check this out. So in this way, you can create a photo collage on Instagram. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.